Good morning, guys. So today I'm cleaning houses with my aunt. Nice view of the lake. It's a little blurry. Probably the humidity. It's so hot today. I got my sweat rag right here. I'm already sweating pretty bad. I just finished sweeping that, swept these, and go inside. Started vacuuming. Inside it's like it's AC, but out here it's pretty warm. At least I'm in the shade. This is what I'm doing today. Later I'm going dog sitting, and then hopefully tomorrow we're gonna fix the well, and then yeah, so hopefully you guys are doing well. And I'll see you guys there. Hope you guys are having a good day. I cleaned the deck out there. Here's the lake. Finished vacuuming and dusting. Just finished watering some of the plants inside. These are some pretty nice houses that my aunt takes care of. Another room in there. I'm just making my rounds doing the plants. Here you go, Richie. We can play a game of chess or checkers. There's another porch. All right, I think that's all the plants up here. Then I'll go downstairs. There's 3 floors. All right, so we just finished another house. It's super hot, so I'm gonna stand in the shade. Pretty cool house. They live out in the woods away from the lake this time. I don't have time to walk through the woods today, but look at this cool wood pile. That's a lot of wood. So at least I'm working mostly inside today. There's a couple porches I had to sweep off, and within those like 10-15 minutes you're drenched in sweat. But another good day. I'm actually straight to dog sitting right after this. I just helped my aunt do a couple houses today. We're gonna head out now, but I just want to show you the cool backyard. Really nice. Good day, guys. So we're with Pisty. Hey, Pistol. One of my favorite dogs. We're just taking a walk right now. Just got off working with my Aunt Donna. Now I get to hang out with my friend Pistol. So that's the cool thing about some of these jobs. My aunt, you know, I get to hang out with her, cleaning some houses, and then I get to hang out with Pistol, which is not a bad job, just walking around. So right now he's just kind of going back and forth, doing his thing. I'll turn this around. So Pisty, I've known him for a very long time, since he was a puppy pretty much. And now he's got some gray hairs. If you can see his face, he's kind of sniffing around right now. But man, the last couple days has been really, really hot, which I'm not complaining. I don't mind the heat, but it's funny how we get these really hot days at the end of the summer pretty much. It's coming into September. We still got a few days left of August, but it's just funny how we get these really hot days at the end. Whew. But yeah, so I'm just here. We're gonna take a little walk around. I was thinking about going to the beach, but there's no shade down there. And I had so much sun doing the staining job. I think I might just walk this little loop and then go back inside. So, but I just like it here because there's so much nature. Usually there's lots of deer running around. But anyway, guys, these are just pretty much some short clips. I've just been trying to squeeze in as many of these jobs in as possible. The deck job was nice getting that in before I left to Georgia, and then I'll be going to Philippines soon after that. And then I'll be staying the night with him in the next coming weeks, right before I go to the Philippines with Pistol. So I'm trying to squeeze in all these little jobs before I go. And it's nice. This is actually one of the busiest times, is coming into fall. So I am leaving a little bit earlier this year to get back to the Philippines. But usually the busy time is from like Memorial Day to Labor Day. A little bit later than that. It usually goes into like maybe October. But then, you know, we get the 4 seasons here. So if I did stay till fall, until winter, there's a whole bunch of raking cleanup with the leaves. And then the gutters. I'll be coming back here soon with my brother to clean some leaves and some sticks and stuff off the roof. And then there's lots of jobs like that around. So that's the cool thing about living in this area, is that there's different jobs for every single season. You got the spring, you know, the spring cleanup from the long winter. So there's lots of leaves to clean up there, and, you know, just getting ready for the summer. Then the summer, people want to maintain their houses or lawns. I'm cleaning houses with my aunt. And then, you know, it's just job after job. Staining houses like we just did. And then painting, gardening, dog sitting. So that's kind of cool, having the 4 seasons, that you get a lot of those job opportunities. But definitely summer is probably one of the busiest. Pistol's doing his thing right now. I'm gonna clean this up real quick. I'll be right back. So if you guys remember, we took a hike out here before and we saw a deer that was up there. And this house is just being started, just the foundation. Now they're starting to get the walls up. Kind of neat to see. A deer actually just ran off that way. Pretty quiet area through here. Pisty is getting a workout today. It's a hot day. He's panting pretty hard. So we're gonna get back, give him some water. I think the electric just went out. The electric company just went by, and they said a tree must have fallen on a line. They were looking for it out here. You can see there's lots of trees that can fall on a line. So I'm not sure if there's gonna be power when we get back to the house or not. But anyway, guys, this is it, I think. I'm just gonna hang out with Pisty for a little bit. And then tomorrow, we're gonna work on the well. First, I'm gonna clean some houses with my aunt in the morning, and then work on the well with my uncle and my dad and my brother. Hopefully get that fixed. And then hopefully fix the wall, and then I'll be set. Those are the main things I wanted to get done before we left. There's some trees, look at that, 1, 2, 3. That one maybe fell on that one, and that one fell on that one. That's crazy. That didn't happen too long ago either. They still got the orange tape up. You can smell the fresh cut wood. All right, guys, I think this is it. There's some more orange up there. We had some big storms recently. Probably knocked down a lot of trees down here. All right, Pisty says goodbye. I say goodbye. It's too hot to be walking too long out here. At least we got a lot of shade. That's one good thing. I wasn't gonna go down to the beach, but I don't think I'm gonna go down there. It's just too hot of a day. But hopefully you guys are doing well. I'm not sure how many days exactly I have left until I'll be in the Philippines, but I think it's around 2.5 weeks or something like that. So very, very soon. I'm excited to get back there. Well, anyway, hope you guys are doing well, having a good day, staying cool or staying warm wherever you are. But right now it is super hot. I saw some orange. I'm looking for mushrooms. I didn't see anything out here yet. Just a couple, but not edible. All right, guys, take care. We'll see you guys next video.